Hi everyone, my name is Cassie. I'm from Morning Metal. This year, our new product is this all-plastic front trigger nozzles. We have 3 patterns and 7 patterns available. The biggest difference of our product is that our flow control is very obvious. The spray distance of the smallest and biggest flow is from 0.5 to 5 meters, so that we can have more flexibility for end users to use under different water circumstances. Other than plastic nozzle, we are also specializing in metal nozzle design and manufacture. Our company owns 33 advanced CNC machines, so that we can create unique metal nozzle that help our customers distinguish themselves in the market. If you have any question or interest in our products, please visit our website www.hostnozzle.com.tw. Thank you.